Hi everybody, it's the editor here from Robin Hood Dashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always are enjoying the videos. A bit of a different one today, folks. I've been approached by a student at the University of Nottingham who's asked for help on his dashcam project. Pretty different, right? It's something you can all take part in. All you need to be is over 18 years of age and essentially have a dashcam fitted to your car, motorcycle, pedal cycle, even an e-scooter, if you've got one. I'm not sure where you're legally riding it, but go ahead. Essentially, researchers at the University of Nottingham are currently investigating near crash events on the road. Near crashes are very common and often go unreported. Just have a look at the channel right here, you'll see some great examples of that. However, they are a great resource for predicting where actual crashes may happen in the future. Although people typically don't report near crashes, a lot of us film these kind of events on our dashcams every day. The researchers at the University of Nottingham want to use this information to understand where future crashes could happen on our roads. So if you're interested in taking part, there's a website you can go to, see comments box below and video description, and there's also an Instagram page as well, and I'll just pop a link to that as well below. So if you want some more information, as I say, have a quick look on the website, and if you feel free to take part. There's no affiliation between myself and the university, no money's exchanged hands or anything like that. It's just a very polite student from the university asked me to help him, and that's it, guys. So like I say, if it is of interest to you, all the information is below, and yeah, take part if you want to. That's all from me for now, folks, and good luck to everyone at the University of Nottingham, and take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.